welcome. Good evening, everyone. We are now doing one surprise. Let's see. Unboxing of iPhone 15 Pro 256 GB with natural titanium color. Brand new from Dubai. Let's unbox the video. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. मेरा लैपटॉप बिस्मिल्लाह. Natural titanium. Bismillah. This is the most unthinkable feeling of unboxing video. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Looking. Bismillah. This is the 15 Pro. Let's see. This is the braided cable, white one. Rugged cables. This is the thing we do not see anywhere in this. This is the phone case I had bought, plus brand new charger because it's new phone. Plus surprise, Pro Max, AirPods Pro. Let's see the phone now itself. Bismillah. Plus another coolest thing. Bismillah. Let's start. Bismillah. Apple. Let's keep this.